Good morning, children. Welcome to today's culture course class. In today's class, we are going to learn about Namadeva, a great saint. Let us start, children. This happened about 700 years ago. 700 years ago, there was a tailor named Damashiti, lived in Pandarpur, and Gonai was his wife. And they had a son named Namadeva. So let us see how he becomes a saint. Yeah, children. So Dama, the tailor, he went to every day he used to go to the Vithoba temple at Pandarpur and worship God Vittal there. So Pandarpur is near the banks of river Bhima. God Vittal is worshipped here. He is in a standing pose. Vittal is the nothing but who is the god Krishna, children. After puja, Dama used to offer Nevedya or food to the god. Only after doing so did he return home every day. Once Dama had to go out of town, so he asked his younger son Namadeva to go to the Vithoba temple and offer puja and Nevedya to god Vitala. Namadeva also did so. But when he offered the Nevedya to god Vittal, the god was not eating it. So as a boy, he thought that why the image also should eat the food. Why the god is not eating the food? So he was much worried. So he begged, God, please come and eat the food, or else my father will beat me. He begged and begged several times, but the god did not eat the food. At last, Namadeva became desperate. He don't know what to do, and he took his dhoti and he wanted to tie on his neck, and he wanted to die himself, kill himself, because God is not accepting the food what he gave. So seeing this, God Vittal took pity upon the boy and ate up all the food he gave. So now Namadeva is very happy. He removed the dhoti around his neck and returned home. He told his mother, Mother, Vittala ate all the food I gave. So the mother did not believe this. So she could not believe what the child was saying. But the second day also, same thing happens. Namadeva goes and offers the food, and God is eating it, and again he comes back and tells to his mother that God ate the food. The third day, the mother herself follows the child, and she herself is seeing that the God is accepting the food what the child gave, and she understood that the child is not an ordinary child and he is having a great devotion for God. So when her husband, so this happens when it is childhood. Later, when he grew up, because of he fell into the bad hands, bad ways he followed Namadeva, and he becomes a robber. He even killed some people when he was doing that robbery. So one day, he was going somewhere. So that time he saw a lady beating her child badly. So when he asked, she says that a robber once killed my husband, and from that time there is no money and I am begging for food. So the boy is asking for some sweet meat where he can go for that. So I am beating the child. So this made Namadeva to feel a lot, because he was the one who killed the lady's husband, and he was able to see because of his action how a family is suffering and the innocent child is getting beating from the mother. So he ran to the Shiva. He understood the mistake what he did. He ran to a Shiva temple, took out a knife and he cut his hand, and the blood was oozing out, and with that he was poured down all this blood on the Shivalinga. He cried for pardon. God Shiva asked Namadeva to go to Pandarpur. That is your place, and that is where you have to do the service to God Vitala, he said. Accordingly, Namadeva, later he was called as Namdeo, fondly by the people. He went there. he went to the God Vitala and said, Please save me. I will give up all my evil ways and worship you always. Namdeo soon turned into a great saint. One Kartika Ekadasi day at Pandarpur, he saw God and became a God man. God Vittal sent him to a guru named Vishobha Kechar. There, The Guru said, Namdevo, love God and sing his praises, you will be happy. So from that day, Namadeva started worshipping God, and always he was singing the praise of God, and he was the rest of his life he was continuing that only. God blessed him and all the members of Namadeva's family. Namadeva only later on fondly called by the people as Namdev. So in this story, so we are able to understand about one more great saint's life. So here some names are their children, some meanings are their children: strangle, choke, dacoit, robber, conscience, moral sense, remorse, feeling guilty. So here are some questions. So as usual, as I told you, you read the lesson 2-3 times. Definitely you will be able to understand. It is very in simple way. So you mark the answers in the textbook itself and you can start learning, children. Yeah. So Namadeva, later called as Namdev, was a great saint who lived in Pandarpur, and you can see in his life, early stage, he showed lot of devotion, and in the middle age he is becoming a dacoit, and again he is realizing the mistake what he has done. He is changing he stopped all his evil ways, and finally he becomes a great devotee and a great saint. So read the lesson and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.